Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a schedule in Google Sheets mobile app. Alright, let's get into it. Open your Google Sheets app on your phone. Then here I have my Google Sheets opened. And if I want to create schedule, we can simply click on this plus button. Then we gotta choose the template right here. And there will be a lot of templates you can use. There are annual calendar, travel planner, and since we want to make a schedule, we can simply click on schedule template. So using the Google Sheets template, you don't need to create schedule manually, but once you click on the template will be added to your sheets. And this is the schedule that we have just created, and we can customize it as we like. For example, I'm going to put conditional formatting to this column. We have to select the column like this, and I'm going to apply conditional formatting. We can click on this A button. Then you can go down until you find conditional formatting. All right, this is the conditional formatting, and wait for a moment. I'm going to put a formatting right here. We can click on text contain, and I'm going to add meeting. All right, and I'm going to choose this red color, and we gotta click save. And don't forget to click on this check mark after you save your conditional formatting. So once I put a meeting, the cell will be turned into a red color. I'm going to give you an example. All right. Okay guys, that's how we can make a schedule in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.